Thomas the chain was broke down. How did it back now? Or it'll just start other chains. The other chains are trying to save him. Thomas the chain.
Yay!
That big elephant was real. Now the dolls are back. Now the town is back. Now the bear's back. The yellow chain was broke down. Now they're save them again.
Yay.
The big chain, the yellow chain is not broke down anymore because the red chain was fixed them, and then the bad chain comes. That was a very bad chain. Then the town start running out of it. The door is saving all the people. Then there was bad guys in it.
Really?
Yeah. It was a real town.
I like this book.
Thanks.